Sanmunani, welcome to another episode of Blind Date, introduced by yours and truly's South Squad X. And I'm here with a new couple. Hey, I'm a dark beauty. Ay, long up. Ay, loni koi ngalazi buya. Maraya, Sanmunani njani. How are you? Nyanbulisa phela. Naphila, okay. Beka, lana some a few set of rules. Antshelana amagama kahle kahle into ene-personal information anishare. Great, ukuthi nivelaphi aniveli nento ibona after. Yeah. First question. Mina ngikubuza yini ama-red flags?
Red flags. If she jumps to conclusions, I want her to ask me what's wrong before she jumps to conclusions. That's all. And I want her to, I want her to trust herself. Trust herself enough to trust me. And I want her to be easy to recalibrate.
Ish. Okay. Yes, so now ngiyakuzwa ukhipha izinto ezi-exquisite, elaborate schemes. Yes, uyamuzwa uthini? Wena ama-red flags yini ke?
Ama-red flags wami umuntu ongangithembi, like mina angithembi ukuthi nami phela like sizozwana yabo, and like umuntu like who's loving, man, like ish, yeah.
Okay, uthi ufuna umuntu loving. Are you loving, my guy?
Yes.
Eish wena man, Mr. Loving, musontofontofoz. Okay, back to the next question now. What are your green flags?
My green flags, if she looks good and if she respects me, and I would like her to trust herself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mara man, ngiyakuzwa uthi ufuna umuntu olooka good. Do you look good?
I think so.
Okay, Mara, she's gonna be the judge of that.
Yes.
Wena, my green flags?
Ngifuna umuntu tall because I'm also tall. Someone who compliments my color, yabo, because of like a multi-gender. Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Okay. Uri ubatla someone who complimenta color yakhe. Eish. But yeah, mina ngizobuza wena sisicala ne.
Yeah.
Let's say this nigga's broke, doesn't have a sense of income. Nakhona nisesesikolweni. Yambona ufela kuphela. Fela ngabo -1, level -1 cabanga. Khwayibonaphi? Would you stand by him?
Ish, melazame, yes, melazame, because of like source of income is important. Imagine mina nginasikhaftini, mela ngithengele yabo. Yeah, and like mela ba smart because of nampela like nama homework, like inzima le maths, mela ngisize.
Ndoto nzima le metso, yes. Yeah, wena, what if she was broke? What if she was a hoe? For the streets.
Nah.
Uhamba dopa yonke lento le.
Nah. It's wrong.
Strong.
Nah.
You don't want her.
Nah.
But what if she's your soulmate now?
I'll find another one.
Ish, ngiyakuzwa wena. Okay ke. Since uyizwile voice yakhe ne. Wena mawucabanga is he a match?
I'm not sure, but ish, maybe, yeah.
Maybe dog. Wena dog, is he a match?
Probably.
Okay. So like nibazwile bathi match. Ne. What? Idirang. Like this. Yeah? Operators talk, man. Oh. Skills operators. Ishinto zabelungdala sasidlula. Yeah. But yeah, as you heard from the people, so maye sizonikhulula ama-mask. Ne. Maqeda. So nokhulula ama-mask nibonane maqeda nizokhuluma for 5 minutes. Nazani. Mara maye asenze kanje. Give me a hand. Yes. Is this a hand? Alisi sadle lesasibona sinithofa. Yeah, nibambene sacela abantu abazokhulula ama-mask. And the moment you've all been waiting for. 3, 2. Wow. The operators are slow. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Woo! the eye contact. Yes, sis. Woo! Yes. Alice. As you're looking at her, dog. You're looking at her. Look, man, she's got them twist eyes. She's like, wow. What do you think?
Yeah, I think she's good.
She's good, ne?
Yeah, I'll find out.
Ay. Madam. Ish, look at the hair eye. Look at the eyes. It's giving Planet of the Apes, ne? What are you saying? Unibona potential la?
Yeah, probably yes.
Like I said, it's not about the looks. It's about the game you have. So like mina ne ngicela acting ngathi angikho la ne like ngistage nangibona ngimnyama. Of course, sa disappear sinesitulo sami. Ngizonikeza imic niyeze 2 to 3 4 5 seconds. Ayina seconds, minutes. Kuthi ni discusseni yabo, nikhulumeni. Aha. Who's starting?
So,
Tati Mikey.
okay, so what would you say you want to do for a living after school, and what are your hobbies?
Okay, for after school, I actually don't work, but like I'm looking forward to working, yabo. But yeah, and then my hobbies are reading, yeah, dancing, singing, yeah, and stuff like that. And you?
My hobbies would be reading, and I write. I'm an author, and I'd say my biggest hobby would be rap and music in general. Yeah. So yeah, can I ask to frustrate you?
What frustrates me? Like what frustrates me? Umfana who can provide. Melupu like who can provide, yabo. Yeah, because of sesikolweni sonke sinamali mara like wena endoda must.
Sisekake.
Yabo? So yeah.
So do you believe that I have to do everything for you, or do you, let me say, believe in your own independence and your trust to take care of yourself if I do something wrong and I fuck it up?
Oh, like I prefer to be independent on my own because of like I wanna like know my boundaries and stuff like that. But like now a pela like you must try and do what's good, yabo. Like ubone with like now more shape, what's wrong. And yeah, you must fix your mistakes and it's yeah.
Oh, nisabuz.
Yeah.
Phela asidate le blind date. Oh, angeke manje asinakudla la. Oh. So yeah. Wow, this chemistry, wow. I'm a physician, but wow. I haven't seen such things in a while. Like, oh my God. Is she a match, dog?
Yeah.
Is she a match?
Yeah.
Girl?
Yeah.
Yebo. Nabona lana, back to blind date, South Squad X. Oh, before ngivale show, yeah, phela sengikhohla inombolo dog. Why are you shaking, my guy? Don't shake, don't take. I know hotness, but
Okay.
leave the stove alone. Check the numbers, my guy. Kevin De Bruyne.
Oh, it
Yeah. Yeah. And there was it. And thanks to the operators there by South Squad X. This is another episode of Blind Date. Yeah. Of course, the operators are gag. I'm still complaining about these things. Kona lo fana nemfene lo. Gotta, like, yo.
We don't care, my man.
So, nje, yeah. Operators, shout out South Squad X. Shout out to Open Chat. We're closing the show. Yeah. And what up, South Squad X here. Another episode of Blind Dates. It's a huge success. And we had a very beautiful couple giving dark beauty there with South African heritage. We got a rapper and a dancer. Woo, laba gena, yay. Taylor Swift no Michael Jackson. Yeah, but yeah. Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Faith.
Faith.
Yeah.
I hope she's faithful. Would you say that's a buy? That's the one,
Yeah,
or he's your type?
kinda.
Hey, you heard it from the girl. He's a type. He's a type. With the shirt today. Aye. But yeah. So are we seeing a second date?
Yeah, I think so.
And that's another post interview by yours, L Train. See it again. Yeah, boy. It's a match. Another. This is the second post interview of Blind Date. Another episode. Very successful. I'm still repeating this. Very successful. We had a couple. Yeah, as you can see here, I have my rapper, bro. Yeah, bro. How are you, bro?
Sure.
What's your name?
Keleto.
Keleto. What does Keleto mean again?
It means knowledge.
It's knowledge. Only knowledge. Well.
Yeah, of course.
Are you acknowledging that girl now?
Yeah, to some extent.
It's your type.
Not perfectly, but I would say, yeah, her personality kind of makes up for her looks.
Okay. So tell me, do we see a second date coming up, Nyana, there with the type sheet?
No.
Yeah. My friend.
My friend.
Not a second date, Nyana. Huh?
It's just that, what can I say? I only say it is a match because I'm not a hater, I'm a lover. But the problem is she says a man must, but I say a woman must be.
That's why now, man. A woman must be. Yo. Mara, you heard it from the bro. It's not a second date. And then now the Shanda loves the guy now. Dog. Oh. Mara, look closely now. You say a woman must be.
Yeah.
In what to extent must a woman be?
I'll say she must be a little more womanly.
Woman.
Yeah.
So she's manly, kahle.
I wouldn't say that exactly, but she's the middle line.
What? Justice! Fear boys this Valentine's. Fear boys! Yo! Maraya, I'ma wrap it up. You heard it from the girl, but you heard it from a gent saying it's not one. It's not the one. So, shout out to South Skydex, shout out to the operators, shout out to the monkeys behind the camera. Yeah, it's another one.